Hello everyone, welcome to Rekha's EduGrid. I am Mrs. Rekha, Assistant Professor, Government Arts and Science College, Valpare. In this section, I discuss about complete details of PhD. PhD is doctoral research degree and normally the highest level of academic qualification you can achieve. So what is the eligibility to do PhD? The candidates who are having 55% marks in master degree are eligible for the admission of PhD program. Students cannot directly enroll into PhD degree after PG course. They have to write entrance exam. But the relaxation is given for the students who have cleared MPhil, GRF or NET, SLET or SET, and they shall be eligible to proceed to do research work in PhD degree. Other than this, scientists, research fellows, research assistants or technician assistants, project assistants, or research associated appointed in the research projects funded by the recognized agencies, government and industries shall register as full-time or part-time. PhD can be done in full-time as well as part-time. So those who are working in institution, they can register part-time. The candidates who registered in full-time is required to go to research center every day, but those who have registered under part-time is not necessary to do so. According to UGC norms, both full-time and part-time PhD are treated as regular mode. Next we can see duration for PhD degree. So the candidates enrolling after PG degree, the minimum period for the full-time is 3 years and for part-time it is 4 years. If the candidate is having MPhil degree, then 1 year relaxation is given. Therefore, the minimum period will be full-time, it's 2 years, and for part-time, it is 3 years. PhD is of two parts. Part 1 is written exam and part 2 is thesis. In part 1, there are 3 papers. So first paper it is research methodology, second paper is research trend to the concerned discipline, and third paper is special paper which is pertain to the area of specialization. And those candidates who are enrolling to PhD after completing MPhil course is not necessary to write these 3 exams. Such candidates they can start thesis work. So PhD with MPhil part 1 exam is exempted, and PhD without MPhil they have to write this exam. After written exam, candidates is required to choose a research problem from an area of research and have to submit a thesis. So the candidate must submit a thesis of consisting of body of original academic research which is in principle worthy of publications in a peer reviewed journal, and also the candidate must defend their work before a panel of expert examiners appointed by the university. Next we can see the procedure for admission. So the university will give notification regarding the application towards admission into PhD program. The university will admit candidates by two-stage process. That is, first one is entrance test called a common eligibility test, and then interview. CET entrance exam is of multiple choice, and those who are qualified in NET, SLET, JRF or MPhil are not necessary to write this CET exam. They can directly enroll into PhD program. After the written exam, next stage is interview. So in interview, you have to discuss about the thesis topic before the panel of expert examiners appointed by the university. After enrolling, you can start your research work and you can complete within 3 to 4 years. PhD, it is required to produce original research that expands the boundary of knowledge in the form of thesis and defend their work against experts in the field. So after getting Doctor of Philosophy degree, we use the title Doctor with their name. So we know that PhD gives a great weightage. And very important information is that to get government jobs, it is mandatory of PhD from 1st July 2021 onwards. Those students who are in confusion to take whether MPhil or PhD, I'll say you can select a PhD directly after completing your PG courses, because if you do MPhil, full effort will be done about the research work in MPhil itself. So nowadays MPhil is not great value. So it is better to choose PhD, and you can complete it within 3 to 4 years itself. And PhD has a great weightage also. If you like my video, please share and do subscribe for upcoming videos. Thank you for watching the video.